Cheekers McGee. He's my Cheekers McGee. Cute as can be. He's my Cheekers McGee. Hey, look at me. I'm Cheekers McGee.
Episode 1. The Metal Pipe.
Why did this metal pipe hitter me? Yes, one of those freaking metal pipes again. This will definitely do the trick. Goodbye, metal pipe. Now we'll go to my crate. So this is what happened. This metal pipe went 400 meters long.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Cheekers McGee. I'm suffering a lot.
Reading the words that don't...
What do you want to eat? Chicken ring, cheese, blueberry, yogurt.
Cheese.
Okay, cheese it is.